Hi everybody, it's me, Sailor Venus here. And today Sailor Venus, Mina here. And today I'm gonna talk about, we got the WWE Network. Now, it's really cool because first, it only costs you $10 a month for everything. That includes all the repeats of Monday Night Raw and Friday Night SmackDown. That includes the current stuff like, Main Event, Superstars, NXT. That also includes other shows like Countdown or Legends House, for example, or both SmackDown and Raw pre-shows and Raw and SmackDown's backstage passes, or beyond or WrestleMania Rewind, or all the other specials. And also that includes old WWE pay-per-views, WCW pay-per-views, and ECW pay-per-views, and includes the new pay-per-views as well. Now, I don't think anywhere else that you're going to find the good enough deal like that. I don't think that you can find that deal anywhere else. Now, some people, and I don't care about these people, but apparently some people want you to justify to them why you would choose to pay only $10 a month for pay-per-views instead of paying $60 in the future for one. Well, if you want to save money, then $10 a month ain't as bad as $60. That's all I'm gonna say. Now, does the network have some problems? Well, for example, there is no resume button. You can't resume anything. That's the only problem I can come up with. And it does occasionally freeze, but that's the only problems that I think it currently suffers from. But it is really cool, this is a very good thing, a very cool thing. Now, I know a lot of people were complaining about the network even before it came out, of course. And then people were complaining when they found out it was going to be some streaming service or something on WWE's website. And they complained about that. Now, I do know that as is right now, Canada, England, and I believe Japan, and maybe New Zealand and Australia, I think, are on the list. I think at the moment, some people in other countries, and also Canada's on that list too, probably won't get the WWE Network, won't be launched in at least late 2014 AD or 2015 AD in those countries, and probably in many other ones. And people were complaining about that. Now, apparently people say, what about the $60? Where does that come from? Well, to my knowledge, there's a $60 fee that you got to pay to WWE if you use any type of Apple device. Like if you're using an Apple's Macintosh laptop or desktop or tablet, or you're using, So that's my understanding. If you're using any Apple's equipment, then you got to pay $60. So people using Apple's equipment might not see the $10 price tag. They might see the $60 price tag instead. But for everybody else, for the non-Apple users, it's just $10 a month for all the original television, all the original shows, of course, like WrestleMania Rewind, Countdown, Legends House, and you know, the Raw and SmackDown pre-show and backstage passes, and the shows like main event, Superstars, and NXT, and all the various live area of WWE, WWE pay-per-views, and the current WWE pay-per-views, and the specials and other things. And also like the animated series Slam City. But I do think it's really cool. I mean, I was going to get it regardless, you know. I didn't sign up right away, you know. I didn't buy it right at 9 in the morning, of course, but during that day it did. So yeah, I got the WWE Network. It's really cool. Yes, you do got 6 months of commitment if you choose to buy it, but after the 6 months you can either walk away or resubscribe. Well, you know that we're going to probably resubscribe again after that. Now, the only criticisms that the network got, and this was from other wrestling fans, oh, it's a network, and when you think of network, you think of television. You think of radio. Well, yeah. And others complain about that $60 fee, but that's only if you're using Apple equipment. So you people who are using Apples, everything might be exclusive. You might have a lot of exclusive things, but WWE's network is only $60 for Apple users and $10 for everybody else. Why? I don't know. But that's about it. You know, I'll see you all later. Sailor Venus, Mina, see you later.